Hello everyone, welcome to Math 150 College Algebra. Today we will do some example for section 1.6 about other type of equation. So look at number 1. Use factoring to solve the polynomial equation. Checks by substitution or by using a graphing utility and identifying x-intercepts. 5x to the fourth minus 45x squared equals 0. To solve a polynomial equation, first make sure that the equation is a standard form. The standard form of a polynomial equation has 0 on one side of the equation, and the polynomial is descending powers of the variable on the other side. Look at the problem. 5x to the fourth minus 45x squared equals 0. Look at the coefficient. 5 and 45. Okay. So look at 5 going to 45. Yes. So 5 times 9 equals 45. Okay, now I will write down again. 5x to the fourth minus 45x squared equal 0. Okay, remember that? 5 going to 45? Yes. So we can find the GCF. Okay, I just write down. This is 5 times 1. This is 5 times 9. Okay, so the GCF is 5 for the coefficient. Right? So I just write down 5. Now look at the variable now. X to the fourth, x squared. So you have to choose the lowest exponent. Okay, so we choose x squared. Okay, so we can write down over here. So become the GCF for the variable is x squared. Okay, will you follow this one? Now, we just copy now. Okay, 5 times 1. So we copy 1 over here. So I circle this one. Yeah. So now x to the fourth, we already used 2. So I can put 4 minus 2. So we can write down 1 times x squared. Okay. Always do from left to the right. Okay. Order. So minus, I put minus 45. Factor 45 is 5 times 9. Already use 5. Already circle. So I circle 9. I just copy over here. Okay. X squared already circle. So I don't need to write down anything because already 5x squared times 9 is 45x squared. That's right. So now we just write down again. Okay. So 5x squared times x squared minus 9 equal 0. Okay. Now what next? So remember about A times B equals 0, A equals 0, or B equals 0. That's right. So I just write down for here 5x squared equals 0, or x squared minus 9 equals 0. I need x. Yeah. So I have divided by 5 both sides. Cancel, yeah. So become x squared equal 0 divided by 5 is 0. So I need x. So the answer become square root 0. I put plus minus, but because 0, square root 0 is equal 0. Okay. Now, go to the next one. Negative 9 move to the right side, become positive 9. So I write down x squared equal 9. I need x. So I just put x equal plus minus square root 9. Yeah. So now what next? So the answer is x equal plus minus square root 9 is 3. Okay. After that, you double check. You substitute. Yeah. Check by substitution or by using a graphing utility and identifying x-intercept. Okay. So you check by yourself. Okay. So I got the answer is x equals 0 and negative 3 and 3. Yeah. So negative 3, 0, 3. Okay. Now for number 2. Solve the polynomial equation by factoring and then using the zero product principle. X cubed plus 3x squared equal to 25x plus 75. Okay, remember, we have to put equal 0 on the right side or on the left side, but we need equal 0, is right? So now I just write down over here. So x cubed plus 3x squared equal 25x plus 75. Everything move to the left side. Move to the left side, become minus. Move to the left side, become minus. Okay, so now become x cubed plus 3x squared minus 25x minus 75 equal 0. Okay, now we will use grouping. Okay, we're going to use grouping. So I just make a half, this one, like this. So now we're going to do this one first. Okay, the first one. So look at the coefficient of x cubed. Only one, yeah? Another one is coefficient is 3. See, there is no GCF for the coefficient. Okay, the coefficient is 1, so I don't write that. Okay, so now look at the variable. X cubed and x squared. So I choose the lowest one. Yeah, this exponent, the lowest one. So I choose x squared. So I just write down x squared. I just put like this. Okay. What next? I just copy. I need x cubed. Already x squared. I just put 3 minus 2. The answer is x1. Right? Now, the rest is 3. Put plus and 3. Okay. Now, look at the next one. Yeah, this is the first one. This is the second one. Okay, now look at the second one. Minus, I just copy first, minus. Now, 25 going to 75. Yes, how many times? 3. Okay, so I can write down this is the GCF is 25 times 1. Another one is 25 times 3. So the GCF for the coefficient is 25. Okay, let's write down 25. Okay, so now this is 1, yeah? Just copy 1 time x. Okay, be careful because this is minus over here. I need minus over here. So because remember about distribution property, it is already negative over here. So I have to change become positive. So negative times positive, the answer is negative. Okay, so now the rest is copy 3. Just copy is 3 over here. Okay, so now I just write down again. X squared times x plus 3 minus 25 times x plus 3 equal 0. So find the GCF. Yeah, look at again. x plus 3 the same. That's right? Because the same, it's become GCF. So now we just write down again. Yeah. So become x plus 3. Okay. Ready write down for this one? That's right. So the rest, we just copy. Time x squared minus 25 equal 0. Okay. Now, do the same thing like number 1. So x plus 3 equals 0, or x squared minus 25 equal 0. Okay, so now move, yeah. Plus move to the right side become negative, yeah. So become x equal negative 3. Now the next one. X squared minus 25 equal 0. So just move, yeah. So become x squared equal, move to the right side, become positive. So x squared, yeah, oh, just x equal plus minus square root 25. Okay, so the answer become x equal plus minus square root 25 is 5. Okay, after that, you check it. Yeah, just substitute on the original. So you got the answer. So the answer is negative 3, negative 5, and 5. Okay. Okay, now go to the next one, number 3. Solve the radical equation. Check all proposed solution. Okay, so for this one, you have to check. Okay, make sure you have to check. Okay, so now I just write down again. I make a mistake, so I just erase first. Okay, now square root 15 minus 2x equal x. The square root on the left side, so we don't like square root. So to make the square root gone, okay, so we just times square both sides. Okay, both sides square, square. Okay, so now we can solve now. It's not hard because there is no square root. This is become cancel. Yeah, cancel. So the answer become 15 minus 2x equal x squared. Okay, so now I just move 15 to the right side, become minus, and negative 2x to the right side become positive. Right? So now it's write down over here. So now become x squared plus 2x minus 15 equal 0. Right? So now factor. Okay, remember again, factoring. So now B is sum, yeah. This is B, this is C. Okay, just remember product, yeah. Product is C, yeah, is negative 15. That's right. So sum is B. The answer is 2. Okay, just remember, if C negative, the answer must be positive and negative. But look at B. The answers must be positive and negative. Right? But look at B. B is positive. So you put the positive sign on the biggest number. Okay? So now factor of the product of 15. So 1 times 15, 3 times 5. So put positive sign on the biggest number. So I just put positive sign on the biggest number and negative sign on the lowest one. Okay, so now I need 2. So which one we choose? This one. This is not, yeah? So become negative 3 plus 5. The answer is 2. Okay? So we can find the product, yeah? The factor of this one. So the factor for this one, x minus 3 times x plus 5 equal 0. Do the same thing. X minus 3 equals 0 or x plus 5 equal 0. So x equal 3, x equal negative 5. So because this is square root, we have to check one by one. Okay, check. For x equal 3. Okay, we just plug in now. Square root 15 minus, yeah, 2 times 3 equal 3. Okay, you just change x with 3. Okay, so now the answer is square root 15 minus 2 times 3 is 6 equal 3. Okay, so now check again. Square root 15 minus 6, the answer is 15 minus 6 is 9. Square root 9 equal 3. So for this one, just take the positive one. Okay, so now square root 9, the answer is 3 equal 3. Is right or not? Yes. Check. Okay, so now look at the other answer. For x equal negative 5, we have to check, yeah? So now x equal negative 5. We just plug in now, right? So square root 15 minus 2 times negative 5 equal negative 5. Okay, so now you can solve this one. Square root 15 minus negative times negative is positive. Yeah, 2 times 5 is 10 equal negative 5. So the answer is square root 25 equal negative 5. Take the positive one, okay? Square root 25 is 5 equal negative 5. Yes or not? It's wrong. Yeah, it's wrong. So the answer, we choose only x equal 3. Okay, so we can write down over here. The answer is only one solution. Is only 3. Okay, so for the square root, be careful. Okay, we have to check. Okay, now go to number 4. Solve the radical equation. Check or propose solution. Okay, this is the same, yeah? So now I just write down again. Square root x plus 14. Okay, I forget one. Equal x minus 6. So what we have to do? The same. Just do square both sides. Okay, so now the answer is, this is cancel, yeah? Cancel, this is cancel. So the answer become x plus 14 equal, we can write down x minus 6 to time. Okay, after that, use the FOIL, is right? So x plus 14 equal, okay, so x times x, I just write down x times x. Okay, next, because positive plus x times negative x. Okay, what next? Negative 6 times x. Okay, what next? Negative 6 times negative x. Use the parentheses. Okay, because negative number. Okay, be careful with negative numbers. Small thing, but big mistake. Be careful. Okay, so now x plus 14 equal x times x, x squared. X times negative x become minus x squared. Okay, So now negative, oh, I'm sorry. This is 6, yeah, not x, sorry. I have to erase this one. My bad. This is 6, right? Okay, I change now the color. This is 6. Okay, so x times x, yeah, x times negative 6. I just erase again. This one. Negative 6, right? So now, okay, okay, now continue. So I'm sorry, my fault. So x times x is x squared. X times negative 6, the answer is 6x. Okay, next, negative 6 times x is minus 6x. Negative times negative positive. I have to change this one again. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, so negative times negative is positive. 6 times 6 is 36. Okay, now x plus 14 equal x squared. Negative 6 minus 6x, yeah, negative 6x minus 6x, the answer is minus 12x plus 36. So now move everything to the right side, yeah. So this is become minus, this is become minus. Just put 0 equal x squared minus 12x minus x plus 36 minus 14. That's right. So now we're going to solve now. Just use black now. So equal x minus 12x minus x plus 36 minus 14 equal 0. So we're going to solve, yeah? So x squared, so negative 12x minus 1x, the answer is negative 13x. Okay, now 36 minus 14, the answer is plus 22 equal 0. Now what next? Look at factor, yeah? So we have to factor. This is B, this is C, right? So just product equals C. What the product is? 22. How about the sum? Sum equal B. It's negative 13. Right? So product 22. Yeah. Remember, C is positive. So the answer must be positive, positive or negative, negative. Look at B. B is negative. So we choose negative, negative. Okay. So now we need negative 13. So the product 22 is 1 times 22. Another one is 2 times 11. So because the factor is negative, negative, I just put change. Yeah, this is negative, 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 negative. Okay, so we need negative 13. So negative 2 minus 11, the answer is negative 13. Okay, so we choose this one, yeah. Okay, so now we're going up because no space. So now going up. So the answer become x minus 2 times x minus 11 equal 0. So we solve now. X minus 2 equals 0 or x minus 11 equal 0. So the answer is x equal 2 or x equal 11. Remember, we have to check because square root over there. Okay, check. X equal 2. Okay, so just change, yeah? Change x with 2. The square root x become change 2 plus 14 equal to minus 6. Square root 2 plus 14 is 16 equal to minus 6 negative 4. Square root 16 is 4 equal negative 4. Is right or wrong? It's wrong. Okay. So there's no solution for x equal 2. Okay. Now go to the x equal 11. So we have to check one by one. Okay. Be careful with square root. Check for x equal 11. Okay. So now we just change x with 11. So square root 11 plus 14 equal 11 minus 6. Square root 11 plus 14 is 25 equal 11 minus 6 is 5. Square root 25 is 5. Check the positive one. Equal 5. So 5 equal 5? Yes. Check. So the solution only x equal 5. Okay. Only x equal 5. X equal 11. I'm sorry. Erase this one. Yeah, x equal. Okay, x equal 11. Okay. Because we got the answer x equal 2 and x equal 11. Okay. But the answer 5 equal 5 is right. Okay, because statement true. So we choose x equal 11. Okay. Now go to number 5. Solve the equation with rational exponents. Check all proposed solution. Okay. So x to the 3 over 2 equal 27. Now, raise both sides of the equation to the power 2 over 3 or reciprocal to get 1. Okay, so we can cancel each other. Because why? Because since 3 is not even, do not include the plus minus. Okay, because if we time both sides with 2 over 3, okay, so 3 is not even, yeah, so do not include the plus minus, because if you choose like this one, yeah, square root, yeah, you can write down this is square root x, yeah, you can write down x 1 over 2. To get the answer, we can push plus minus. But for the even, like cube, yeah, root cube, so you have to write down 1 over cube. Okay, so for the answer, don't put plus minus, only for the even. Okay, so now, so both sides we have to sum by reciprocal 2 over 3. Okay, so both sides 2 over 3. So for this one, we cancel each other like that, right? So it's our goal to find x. So x equal, okay, 27 to the 2 over 3. Or we can write down, yeah, you can write down x equal root cube 27 square. Okay, you can use calculator, yeah. So the answer become x equal 9. Okay, so now you can check, yeah, check. So check x equal 9. Okay, just put 9, 3 over 2 equal 27. Okay, so we can write down like this, root cube 9 squared equal 27. Okay, oh sorry, this is square. The problem is 3 over 2. Okay, okay, this is the, we have to go to original, yeah. So we have to prove 9 to the 3 over 2 equal 27. So just plug in this one. So the answer becomes square root 9 cubed. The answer is 729 equal 27. Okay, square root 729 is 27 equal 27. Yeah, this time on right, yeah? So yeah, this is check. So the answer become x equal 9. Okay, just write down for here, x equal 9. Now go to the next one. Solve the equation with rational exponent. Okay, so the same, yeah? So just write down x minus 4 to the power, yeah, the exponents 3 over 2, okay, equal 64. Okay, our goal to find, yeah, x. So the exponent is 3 over 2. So find the reciprocal. Okay, so both sides you times by 2 over 3. This one 2 over 3. So they can cancel each other. Okay, so our goal now to find x, yeah. So the answer becomes x minus 4 equal 64 to the 2 over 3. Okay, so now we can solve this one. So x minus 4, we can write down square root cube 64 square. Okay, so there's a x minus 4 equal 16. Okay, now you can use the calculator, yeah, for this one. So now move the constant to the right side, become positive. So the answer become x equal 16 plus 4. So there's a x equal 20. Okay, so we have to check. Okay, check for x equal 20. So look at the problem. X minus 4. Check x become 20 minus 4. The exponent 3 over 2 equal 64. Okay, so now 20 minus 4, the answer is 16 to the 3 over 2 equal 64. So the answer become 64 equal 64. Yep. So the answer become x equal 20. Okay, write down over here. X equal 20. Okay. Now go to the next one. Number 7. Solve the equation with rational exponent. This is same, exactly like number 6. Okay, so x minus 1, 2 over 3 equal 36. Okay, find reciprocal. Yeah, so time by 3 over 2. This one time 3 over 2. Okay, so now they cancel each other. Yeah, become 1. This is our goal, right? So become x minus 1 equal square root 36 to the 36 cube. Yeah. So now, remember, because square roots, the answer must be plus minus. Okay, be careful for this one. Okay, so now, so x minus 1 equal, okay, plus minus, okay, the answer is 216. Okay, what next? Move negative 1 to the right side. Okay, so become x equal positive, yeah? Move to the right side, become positive. So the answer become x equal 1 plus minus 216. Okay, so now there are two answers. So you have to be careful, right? So now x1. x1, take the positive one. Okay, take the positive one. 1 plus 2, 16. So the answer is 217. Okay, now take the negative one. Okay, the minus one. So x2, 1 minus 2, 16. The answer is negative 215. Now we have to check. Yeah, you have to check. So check x equal, yeah, the first one, yeah, x equal 217. Okay, so now look at the form, just plug in to the original, it become 217 minus 1 to the 2 over 3 equal 36. Check the x with 217, that's right? So 217 minus 1, the answer is 216 to the 2 over 3 equal 36. Okay, now look at again. This is cube, yeah? So now don't worry about plus minus, yeah? So the answer become 36 equal 36. Use the calculator, that's right? Now, the second one, check x equal negative 215. I forgot one. I just erase 2 first, okay? Here we go. To become better. 215. Okay? So now, just plug in. Okay? So, negative 215 minus 1, that's right, to the 2 over 3 equal 36. Okay, just change, right? X with negative 215. So negative 215 minus 1, the answer is negative 216 to the power 2 over 3 equal 36. Okay, so now the answer is, okay, for this one, you got the answer is 36 equal 36. Check, yeah? So everything right, okay? So now we got the answer. The answer is the first one, negative 215. The second one, 217. Okay. Now, next, number 8. Solve the absolute value equation or indicate that the equation has no solution. Now, absolute value, okay, if C is positive real numbers, okay, and U represent any algebraic expression, then, okay, I just write down the formula, then absolute value U equal C, okay, is equivalent to U equals C or U equal negative C. Okay, so I look at the problem. Absolute x equal 18. So from definition, you can look at, yeah. So absolute x equal 18. So the answer become x equal 18 or x equal negative 18. Okay, this is the, just follow the formula. Okay, now go to the next one. Number 9. Solve the absolute value. Solve the absolute value equation or indicate that the equation has no solution. Okay, now look at again over here. Absolute value x minus 9 equal 7. Okay, so now remember about the formula. Yeah, remember about the formula. I write down again. absolute value C equal U is equivalent with C equal U or C equal negative U. Okay, so now for this one, you can write down absolute x minus 9 equals 7. We can write down x minus 9 equals 7 or x minus 9 equal negative 7. Okay, so what next? Just move 9 to the right side, become positive. Yeah, so the answer become x equal 7 plus 9. Yeah, so the answer become x equal 7 plus 9 is 16. Now, the next one. Move to the right side, become positive. So the answer become x equal negative 7 plus 9. Okay, so the answer become x equal negative 7 plus 9 is 2. After that, you just plug in. Yeah, check your answer right or not. Okay, this is your job to continue. Okay, so now go to the next one. Number 10. So make bigger. It's easy for me to write down. So solve the absolute value equation or indicate that the equation has no solution. This is the same, right? So now absolute value 2x minus 1 equal 7. Okay, remember again, yeah, about the formula. So become 2x minus 1 equals 7 or 2x minus 1 equal negative 7. Okay, move to the right side, become positive, yeah? So 2x equals 7 plus 1. So 2x equal 8. So our goal to find x. Yeah, so 2x equal 8. So our goal to find x, so you divide by 2, divide by 2. So the answer is x equal 4. Okay, now next one. Move negative 1 to the right side, become positive. So the answer is 2x equal negative 7 plus 1. So 2x equal negative 7 plus 1 is negative 6. So you need x. So you have divided by 2. You divide by 2. So the answer becomes x equal negative 3. Yeah. After that, you check. Plug in x equal negative 3 and plug in x equal 4. The answer is right or not. The statement is right or not. Okay. Now go to the next one. Number 11. Solve the absolute value equation or indicate that the equation has no solution. This is the same, yeah? I just copy 5. Absolute value 2x minus 5 equal 5. Remember again, the absolute value u equal c or c equal u. Okay, so so this will become u equal c or u equal negative c. Okay, now there is 5 over here on the left side. So to make sure the form is like absolute value u, this is 5. So our goal, we have to divide by 5 both sides. Okay, cancel become 1, yeah? So the answer become absolute value 2x minus 5 equal 1. Okay, so we can write down this one again, follow the same thing. So 2x minus 5 equal 1 or 2x minus 5 equal negative 1. Move negative 5 to the right side, become positive. So 2x equal 1 plus 6. So 2x equal at 1 by 5. 6 the answer, yeah? My head. So now it's because 5. Okay, 1 plus 5 is 6. So now divide by 2 both sides. Okay, so the answer become x equal 3. Now, next one. Negative 5 move to the right side, become positive. So 2x equal negative 1 plus 5. So 2x equal 4. We need x. Yeah, we need x. You divide by 2, you divide by 2. So the answer is x equal 2. Okay? Yep. After that, you just check again. Okay, make sure the statement is true or not. Okay, so the answer is x equal 3 or x equal 2. I think that's all for today. So I will see you again on the next video. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye.